What's up, gang? You know what I'm saying? We're back with another one real quick. Just a little update. I done broke something on the car, man. Going about 50 miles per hour. Got semis and everything else passing me. But, yeah, man, I think I broke a bearing on my rear right wheel hub. So it's like wobbling. I took it off the other day and like it's wobbling like this. But I gotta drive on it right now to go get the part, which I got here right here in the seat with me. And I'm gonna drop it off and get it worked on for my guy, side chick, CL1. You know what I'm saying? So get me right. Yeah, that's what we got going on today. Here's the part right here, and that's the bearing right there in the middle. Black ring. That's what I think's broken in the inside, and that's why it's driving like ass. But the other side is good, nice and stiff. So I'm not even gonna bother to change that one right now. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. But yeah, that's what we're working with. The part was about $100. About 110 after taxes and everything, but yeah, gonna get this thing right. Keep y'all up to date when we get it. Another thing for my subscribers, what y'all think? Y'all think I should post a video on my parts? You know what I'm saying, parts update type deal, or what? Got a nice little collection. About to change the wrap. Got that. I don't know if I'm gonna do a reveal before I actually do it. I don't think so. Then y'all might not watch my videos, but yeah, man, got a lot of stuff coming. So expect that. Y'all drop a comment. Let me know if y'all want to see that. See what parts, see what I got going on behind the scenes. You know what I'm saying? And anything else y'all want to see. You know what I'm saying? I'm open. I'm ready to create. Creator, entertainer, YouTuber. Whatever you want to call it, but yeah. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all in a minute though. Once I get the car dropped off and everything, give y'all a little update. So what's up, gang? As you can see, it's nighttime now. But about to clock out. Make sure y'all don't know where I work at. But yeah, shout out to my dog side chick, ZL1. Make sure y'all go follow him on Instagram. And make sure y'all go follow Drill White on Instagram too. You know what I'm saying? He done got my car right. Let me see if I can flip this thing around. Can't flip it around, but let me show y'all. You know what I'm saying? He let me hold the whip while they get my shit right. Now I'm about to go pick it up. And he say it's running good now. So yeah, it was the bearing. He said it wasn't no broke bearing, it was a smoke bearing. So let's head over, go pick up my whip from his house, drop the truck off, and I told him to leave the old one in the car so I could have a look at it, so I can show y'all. So y'all stay tuned. About to head over there, go swap whips, do what I got. So I made it back. He already got the new hub on. About to ride out. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. Now let's go check out this old one real quick. So this is the part I had replaced. Of course, tire. You know what I'm saying? All of that shit right there. So on the back, got these bearings. Oh yeah, this thing is ate up. This thing's tore up. Didn't mean to get that on my hand, but yeah. Uh-oh. I'm over here breaking your bricks, Daniel. But yeah, this thing was wobbly, as you can see. Look. You hear that? shaking. No more good. No more good. So I'm about to hop in and see how it's riding. Let me go ahead and throw this fuck that. I'm gonna leave that there. Merry Christmas, Daniel. But appreciate that. About to get up out of here. He gonna hate me for waking up everybody. Yeah, man. Get out of here. So yeah, back in the Camaro right now. You know what I'm saying? Whipping the Camaro, headed to the crib, and that noise is gone. It drives a lot better. But y'all stay tuned. Let me hit this light real quick, show y'all what we got, what we're working with. It's flipped right now, but maybe that'll help. Everybody know what this is if you drive. You know what I'm saying? Fast car, semi-fast car, whatever you want to call it. Got me a droggy. I'm about to start logging some shit. See, you know what I'm saying? Which is best when I'm taking off and so on. I'm about to start, you know what I'm saying? Chasing times. I'm gonna give y'all a quick little sauce. Woo! Hear that thing? But yeah, I'm about to start chasing time. So let me know in the comments if y'all wanna see some droggy pulls and some times. See what we working with. Yeah, man. Glad this thing fixed, but it ain't done yet, man. It ain't done yet. Take this mask off too. I'm in the damn car. Yeah, I'll be doing that. Riding around with your damn mask on. Been in the car for about 30 minutes now. But got another problem on the hand besides this one. I mean, I wouldn't say it's a small problem, but it's a small problem that could get real big if I don't fix it. I gotta change my transmission mount. That one, the old one's wearing down, so like when I hit it real hard, you'll hear it like clink a little bit, or whatever you want to call it. Whatever fucking noise that it is. It's making noise. $33 part, AutoZone. $40 after shipping. It'll be here on Friday. Today is Wednesday. Well, it's Thursday now because past 12 o'clock. But so yeah, I should have that tomorrow. And stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna knock that out on Sunday, and everything will be back in sound. You know what I'm saying? I think that's it for this video. I'm gonna give y'all one more little pull. Put the window down after this damn car come by with these bright lights. So yeah, I'm gonna give y'all one more pull. But before I do this pull, I need y'all to do one thing for me. Make sure you hit that like button. Most definitely subscribe so you keep seeing these, you know what I'm saying? Keep seeing these bangers, what we got going. About to open up the catalog, just more than just cars. So hit that subscribe button if you want to be around for that. And drop a comment on what you want to see, what you think of this video, what you think of the car, whatever. Or if you're just a hater, you know what I'm saying? Drop a comment still. Haters, you know what I'm saying? Y'all maybe go up too. But let me give y'all this pull. Ooh-wee. That was a oh yeah, 30. I'm gonna turn the camera around for y'all. Little 30 pull. You ready? Gotta slow down for these tracks. The brakes work, my boy. The brakes work. But yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, gang.